Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect any API to make.com. Alright, let's begin. First, open the official make.com website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, click on the Create Scenario button at the top right corner. A blank scenario will appear on your screen. Next, click on the Add icon, which will bring up a menu with various options. From this menu, select HTTP, then choose Make a Request. A new menu will open where you need to configure the API connection. Start by selecting the authentication type as API key. After that, click on Create Keychain and enter the required details for your API. Make sure all details are accurate, as this ensures your connection will work properly. Finally, save the changes. Once saved, your API is successfully connected to make.com, and you can start using it within your scenario to automate workflows and integrate with other apps. So that's basically how you can connect any API to make.com. That's it for this video. Thanks.